Alex here from Deep Cycle Power. In this short video I will show you the process of assembling the lithium-ion cell testing equipment Megacell charger upgraded with XS10 connectors. The process begins with soldering wires to the female XS10 connectors. The connectors are installed in the pre-drilled plastic case. After the connectors are aligned and tightened, the PCB board gets installed. The wires coming from the XS10 connector get soldered directly on the battery connector soldering pads on the back of the PCB. After the soldering step is completed, the lid on the bottom is secured with 8 screws. The device is now ready to be tested and logged into the registered devices database. After the firmware is written, the testing procedures for charging and discharging takes place. If the results are matching the required parameters, the device is ready for shipping. Thank you very much for watching this video on assembling the Megacell charger XS10 version. If you want to learn more about this project, go on deepcyclepower.com. Thank you very much for watching.